Vee Trades Technical Analysis course coming soon. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for COUPANG with the ticker symbol CPNG. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like COUPANG is selling off, and I'm getting very excited because this is a company I'm looking to purchase for the long term. It's a South Korean based e-commerce company, market capitalization of 37 billion with revenue of last year of 18 billion. So we are already at a 1-to-2 ratio revenue to market cap. So this looks very appealing and becoming very undervalued quickly. So once it goes back below that bottom that it had, it's going to even be more cheaper. So I'm definitely interested in picking up some shares in this company. However, I'm going to have to wait for the technicals to tell me when to purchase. As right now, it's super bearish. You can see that we are continuing lower. The last time I looked at COUPANG was back on February 14th, and we were in a small little uptrend. But I knew this wouldn't last because there was still potential to continue lower, because we were approaching a resistance point. So you can see that COUPANG was traveling sideways or trading sideways for quite a while. You can see that this yellow, or let's change the color, let's make this a orange range, was holding prices pretty well. And then we had a break outside of the range, and then we had a V bottom reversal, because right when we went down back here in January 24th, we reversed and we slowly started to trend back up to test the breakout level. And once we test that breakout level, there was unfilled sell orders that triggered, and market started selling off. And especially since there was a break outside of this yellow channel working higher, that shows signs of weakness in the uptrend, and normally we go back up to retest the previous high, and that's what we did right here. We definitely exceeded it. We went back up to test the breakout level, and now we sold off quite a lot. So this was a massive red candle back here on Friday, and I don't think the selling is over just yet. I think we're going to come back down to target the previous all-time low, especially because there is a downtrend channel still in play. I'm going to show you guys that right now. So if I connect the swings possibly from here, you can see that this is a nice fitting downtrend channel against the price action. Let's go and make this one yellow. So you can see this downtrend channel is holding prices extremely well. We get a bounce here, we get a bounce here, and then we came back to the lower side of the channel at a much later time, but we got support and to send prices higher. We are getting rejected from the resistance side. So this is a sign of weakness in the downtrend, because these price bars, these 4 price bars, are outside of the yellow channel. And normally when we get a break outside the channel, we usually go back down to retest the previous extreme, or up, as in this case right here, where you had the short-term channel working higher. So as right now, it looks like prices are trying to attempt to retest this previous low, and we possibly even can exceed it. So let's take a look at some targets that are downward, because I don't see anything bullish as right now. So we're gonna have to use a measured move. This would be the first leg down, and this would be the second leg down, and the target that I have is right at the $13 level. So the $13 level is a potential target for COUPANG. I'll put a horizontal line there right now. And there is another measured move, potentially even lower. So if I show the entire chart, the price chart, you can see that this would be the first leg down since the IPO price, or you can say the top of the IPO date. And then we had the leg down, we had a little correction working up. I believe this looks like 2 legs. To my eye, it does. There's the first leg, and then we had a correction, second leg. Not a perfect 2 legs, but it still looks like 2 legs. And we started the second leg, and the second leg is right at the $8.41 level. So a little bit lower than the $13 level, but they're kind of fairly close. And it looks like COUPANG has 2 targets that it could reach. Also the bottom, or the all-time low, which is at the $16 level. So I'm pretty sure we're going to continue lower. As right now, there's much more bearish signs on the chart. There's absolutely nothing bullish about this chart right now. I don't see a single thing. We could maybe find some type of support at this $21 level. Let me go ahead and clear the chart. So maybe we can find some type of support back over here, because we did bounce a few times, but with this strong red candle and just the market sentiment overall and all the clues that I pointed out earlier, it just does not make sense for the price to just reverse from here and continue higher. I'll be surprised. Maybe they want to go back up to retest the previous breakout and maybe get a double top. So even if we do reverse, I mean, there's still overhead resistance because we just got rejected from this previous breakout level. So again, nothing bullish about this chart as right now. I mean, obviously, I'm extremely bullish long term. I think Bill Gates also invested into this company at a much earlier time. But again, billionaires have different strategies. I'm pretty sure they have deep pockets so they can continue to average down. And also, if they invest 1 year prior to where the bottom would be, then they can have less capital gains tax. So I think they have different strategies in mind. But just let you guys know that there is strong buying for this company. So let's take a look at the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So here's the weekly chart for COUPANG. Looks like the IPO was back here in March 2021. And the 8th, so around the early March. So we're kind of approaching the 1 year anniversary of this company on the stock market, and we have enough price action to make a good analysis of where it's probably headed. So you can see that it's pretty much just a perfect fitting downtrend. It's a spike. This big candle was the spike, and now we're in the formation of the channel at a very healthy downtrend channel. We're continuously getting rejected from the EMA and the resistance side of the channel. So nothing bullish about this chart. It looks like they want to go back down to the previous low and see if we find some type of buying pressure just like we did before. So that's probably where we'll probably see more buying. We'll have to wait to see, but as right now, I think we're going to continue lower. Definitely something I'm keeping on my watch list, and we'll go from there. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channels. You might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys.